In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a starter on your Honda Accord. Using a 10mm socket, remove the negative battery cable. Remove it off the post, drop it to the side. This little green clip right here, we're going to remove that. There's two little tabs on the back that you can pinch and then pull it out. Remove the green clip. Push on this little plastic tab right here. We're going to push up towards the top of the engine. And I'm also going to use a little flathead on the back and pry this plastic bracket off of the metal one. This connector right here has a tab on the top. We're going to push down on that and pull it towards the back and remove that connector. I'm going to pull that wire out of the way. We're going to pull this boot back. Under that boot, you'll find a 12mm nut. We're going to remove that now. Using a 12mm socket, remove that nut. Remove the nut. Pull the cable off of that stud. I'm going to pull the boot back over for now. With everything disconnected, now we're going to unbolt the starter. Using a 14mm socket, we're going to remove the bottom starter bolt. Remove the bolt. There's one more bolt for the starter on the top. It's located right back here. This one right at the end of the handle of my ratchet. Using a 14mm socket, remove the starter bolt. Remove the bolt. Once you have the bolts out, you can remove the starter. Install the starter. Get your top bolt started. Install the bottom bolt. Get it started, just a few threads. Snug down the bottom bolt. Snug down the top bolt. Torque the starter bolts to 33 foot-pounds. If you can't get a torque wrench in there, do the best you can. Torque the bottom bolt. Install the cable onto the starter. And install the nut onto the post. Snug down the nut on the starter. and then torque it to 6.6 foot-pounds. If you can't get a torque wrench in there, do the best you can. Once it's torqued, slide the boot back over. Install the connector for the starter. Push until you hear a click. Give it a pull back, make sure it's really connected. Install the plastic cable stay under the metal bracket, just like that. Install this green connector into this plastic. Just like that. Install the negative battery cable. Snug it down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.